नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanedar Kotari, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Adi Kailash, Paschima Kailash, all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Before entering into the Jnana Paddhati, Paramashiva's ultimate revealed scriptures compiled personally by me from Vedas and Agamas, the ancient revealed scriptures of Sanatana Hindu Dharma. I was expanding yesterday on the concept of state of Paramashiva. Today, not only I wanted to expand the state, I want you to understand the implications of state of Paramashiva on your physiology and psychology. So I will enter into the second and third verse of Jnana Paddhati. Tatsarvam gatayishyami yoga yuktya shrunupriye yatsvarupam nijam suddham vyapakam sarvatomukam sarvabhudantaravastam sarvapranishu jivanam yogagamyam durasadam dushprabam hridadambihi. Mahadeva Paramashiva is saying in the second verse, Yat Swarupam Nijam Suddham. My state is real and pure. Listen. Yesterday I was revealing an important secret, the sacred secret. You need to decide to behave with yourself as Paramashiva. You need to be convinced. Blessed are those who are able to convince themselves that they are ultimate. Means they are able to cross the last delusion of self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred. I tell you, bhakti should be the expression of the gratitude and powerfulness of everything you have been given, not from the attitude that you are separate from the source. Understand? I overflow with gratitude and bhakti to my Guru, not because I am separate from him, but because he made me realize he is me. Understand? The right understanding. Listen very carefully. The identity you carry in the waking state, identity you carry in the deep sleep state, identity you carry in the dream state, identity you carry in Turiya state and identity you experience in Turiyatita state. In all the 25 states of consciousness, each identity is independent. The moment you realize the undercurrent of all these 25 identities, your pure consciousness, which is the source of you and which is Paramashivam, all the 25 heads, 25 identities gets integrated. That is why Paramashiva is always described with the 25 heads. Means who has realized his 25 identity is in oneness with his source consciousness, pure Paramashiva, ultimate. As long as your identities play separate games, without getting integrated to the source, you continue to remain in suffering. When you are ready to cross your self-doubt, understand, courage to cross the self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred is tapas, vairagya. Ferociousness you need to cross your self-hatred, self-denial, self-doubt is called tapas. It can be psychological ferociousness, it can be physical ferociousness, it can be ferociousness to detoxify your system, ferociousness to break from patterns, ferociousness to break from addictions, ferociousness to manifest the higher understandings, ferociousness to live the higher understandings. It can be anything. Understand? The ferociousness to cross the self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial, to reach you are one with Paramashiva is tapas. Blessed are those who decide they are one with Paramashiva, who cognize they are one with Paramashiva, because other than him, nothing else can exist. If something else can exist other than him, then he cannot exist. He is the only Purusha. There cannot be anything other than oneness. That is why it is oneness. So if you feel you exist, you are only Paramashiva. You exist only as Paramashiva. Any other identity you assume is assumption. Understand? Nothing else can exist. And nothing else exists. Everyone who is preparing yourself for Paramashivoham, I'll very strongly recommend next 21 days, you try to do the Nirahara Samyama, means living with liquids, juices, milk, and continuously listening to my satsangs related to 25 states of consciousness, 11 dimensions of the universe, 5 aspects of Paramashiva. Listen to these satsangs. More and more understand about oneness. I tell you, blessed are those who are ready to cognize you are one with the whole existence. Paramashiva. Blessed are those who declare that truth to themselves and demand themselves to behave, think, live psychologically, physiologically, physically, consciously as Paramashiva with themselves. Declare to yourself you are Paramashiva. Behave with yourself you are Paramashiva. Demand from yourself as you are Paramashiva. Think with yourself as you are Paramashiva. Your physiology, psychology, physical, cognitions, experiences, expressions demand everything to be Paramashiva. Demand everything to be Paramashiva. I tell you, that is what is manifesting the state of Paramashiva. Deciding, declaring yourself as Paramashiva to yourself, intensely demanding yourself to be Paramashiva by yourself is what is manifesting the space, the state of Paramashiva. That is what is manifesting the state of Paramashiva. I really want all the Paramashivoham participants to start practicing. Declare yourself as Paramashiva to yourself and demand yourself to be Paramashiva. Talk to yourself as you are Paramashiva. Think yourself as Paramashiva. Behave with yourself as Paramashiva. Start from today. I bless you all to achieve success. From today, behave with yourself as Paramashiva. Start manifesting the state of Paramashiva. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.